Good morning and welcome to another studio vlog. Today we have a lot to do, like packing sticker orders, buying supplies for tea towel packaging, designing the tea towel packaging, printing it all out, and a lot more. My mother-in-law came over last week to help me sew 40 tea towels. We weren't sure if we'd be able to sew all 40 in a day, but we pulled through despite how tired we were. After 11 hours, we had 40 beautiful tea towels. And now I need to design the tea towel packaging, so let's get to it. I only printed out about half of what I need, so I'll just finish that later. And I also printed out these thank you cards. They're a little small, like the font, so I might go back in later and fix that. But I'll just go ahead and use these. So next, I think we will do a test run on packaging up a tea towel and see how it looks. Here is the very first packaged tea towel. I think it's really nice. I am thinking about printing off some round stickers and securing them right here instead of just having a tape on the back of this label. So I think I might work on that and then package up the pre-order tea towels so that I can mail them out tomorrow. These are the stickers I just whipped up in Photoshop, and they feature my lavender painting and with the word enjoy. I like this so much better with the enjoy sticker. Yay! My first official packaged tea towel you guys are witnessing. It's now Tuesday and I'm going to pack up tea towel pre-orders and Etsy sticker orders to be mailed out. Just went to the post office and I dropped off all of the pre-orders, and now I'm going to design some butterfly stickers from a blue butterfly, I guess I should say a morpho butterfly, that I painted last week. My monarch butterfly sticker on Etsy is doing very well, so I thought that it would be a good idea to make my blue butterfly into a sticker too. So I'm going to do that, and I might also make another kind of sticker. I will show you my screen so you can see how I do it. I'll show you parts of my process in Photoshop. I ended up ordering stickers of this butterfly and stickers of a cactus painting. I'll have to show you them in the next studio vlog. Now I think I am going to start editing this vlog. Towel packaging, so let's get to it. The last thing I need to do today is take herb tea towel photos with me in the photos, like holding the tea towels up, and also I need to take a photo for the thumbnail for this vlog. Now it's about 5 and I think I'm going to be done for the day. If you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.